Hey, and welcome back to Douglas Carr Photography. I'm Doug. I'm out with the Fuji GFX on my first night photography in decades, I would say. Let's see what the evening holds. Enjoy. So yeah, we've got a tram coming. I'm on 2000 ISO, 10th of a second, shutter priority. Do a panning shot. Here we go. That's what I got. Maybe we'll do a slow shutter here. The people crossing, walking up Carl Johan from the station. Not a lot of light here. Okay, I'm just going to lean on the building here to give me some support and do a slow shutter to get the motion of the people, to have a little bit of motion blur in the people, but just enough blur so you can still see that it's people. I'm on 1250 ISO, 4th of a second at f7.1. Here we go. Okay, I'll attempt some night ICM photography. I'm on shutter priority 1250 ISO at 2 seconds, and it happens to be f5. Bicycle. Generally, I like baby view, so when I get down to the ground, get the reflection on the ground. Once again, this would be a nice slow shutter. We have enough light here, people walking. It's very slow. I'm f11, 1600 ISO. It's going by quite close. The bus is coming. He's probably thinking that I'm in the way. I'm hoping. Okay, I'm going to try the same picture with the bus. We are 8 seconds, f18, 800 ISO. It's nice with the bending of the train, the tram. I'm trying to get only lights, trying to get a see-through tram. See-through tram, building in the background. Here are two more slow shutter images from the night, one from outside and inside the station. Okay, here are some of my editing in On1 Photo RAW. Okay, we start with this image. I open in the edit, apply my desired crop, go to perfect erase brush, paint over the power cables that I want to remove. Once that is done, I go to Brilliance AI. Then I apply no noise sharpening. You can see how well that's cleaned it up. I want to apply some clarity. I go to tone enhance. I go between contrast and clarity. Then chose contrast. Adjusted the clarity on that. And then reduced the contrast a little bit. Back to effects. Apply screen sharpening. And apply my favorite border. And there we have the before and after. Okay, the next edit is blending the two pictures, one with the tram and the bus, into one layer. I open the one image in the edit, I apply Brilliance AI, I hold my finger on the J key and I reduce the blacks and the highlights. I apply no noise sharpening. I apply screen sharpening and I open the second image and I do exactly the same. Once I'm done with that, I open a new layer on that image and I go and select the previous image that I've just edited in the browse. Once that image is loaded, I select the paintbrush, and I paint that layer into the other layer. So wherever I'm painting, I'm removing a section from the layer above, and then the layer below that is being revealed. Once I'm happy with my painting, I create a new stamp layer. I crop that to my desired crop, add my favorite border that I use only for my social media exports, and I'm done. If you want to see my approach to urban architectural photography, ICM photography, or why I recommend the Epson 8550, click on one of the links above. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, smash the like button and the bell icon, and I see you in the next video. Cheers.